This is how to change all the front bulbs on the Mazda 6. This vehicle has adaptive front lighting, so the main and lower beam are here. This bulb cannot be changed without removing the front bumper to remove the actual light assembly. The adaptive front lighting bulb is a H11, which is here. Your indicator bulb is here, and the side light is just at the bottom there. If the car doesn't have adaptive front lighting, then this will just be the low beam, and your main beam or high beam will be here. So the bulbs that can be changed without removing the headlights are the indicator, the side light, and either the adaptive front lighting bulb, which is a H11, or the high beam if your car isn't fitted with the adaptive lighting. So on the driver's side, the indicator bulb is all the way at the bottom here. And it's a wedge type bulb. Now the side light is also twist to remove, and the bulb is another wedge bulb, but the smaller type, a T10 or a W5W. Now this is the adaptive lighting bulb, which is a H11. This can be twisted to remove. And then the holder is actually part of the bulb, so press here and remove the bulb. Now on the passenger side, to replace any of the lights down here, it'll be much easier to remove the airbox. So undo this 10mm here and pull the pipe off. Disconnects the MAF sensor and pull the wiring out. Now give the airbox a hard pull upwards, and it locates in these 3 rubber mounting lugs here. This gives you a lot more space to see what you're doing on the passenger side of the car, so it's a lot easier to disconnect the adaptive lighting bulb. And access the indicator bulb at the bottom and the side light. To remove the fog light bulb on the driver's side, undo a 10mm bolt from the centre plastic and remove the 8mm screws from this piece on the corner. You'll then be able to reach up and disconnect the wiring and twist to remove the H11 bulb. On the passenger side, remove the same bolts and screws. On this side there is a trim clip you'll need to remove here due to the air intake for the intercooler. Once you remove the little trim clip, you'll be able to remove this panel and you'll have the same access that you had on the driver's side of the car. So you'll be able to remove